They told us the sun was dangerous, so we stayed inside. We slathered on sunscreen daily, but the chemicals in many sunscreens, avobenzo, endocrine disruptors, banned in places like Hawaii for harming coral, and maybe us too, because after sunscreen became a habit, skin cancer rates skyrocketed. And that wasn't all. We swapped butter for seed oils, traded sunlight for SPF, trusted products instead of instincts. Vitamin D levels dropped. Our gut health collapsed. Inflammation soared. That wasn't a personal failure. That was a perfect storm. Or was it a perfect plan? Because when you block the sun, you don't just avoid a burn. You block the hormone that regulates over 1,000 genes. The one that protects your brain, your mood, your immune system. Let that sink in. Then ask what else we were told to fear. Jennifer here. Keto and fasting. Been there. Done that. #Banzid oils.